at the time of this system maintenance or transformer maintenance.
Just minute है और
Okay.
Huh? But this plate not whole, as like you lift as like and press.
Okay.
Huh?
The plate at downside.
Huh?
Okay. Hold. Okay.
Now you try.
The maintenance.
At the time of sir maintenance.
CTR 005.
Up, slowly up. Press
Okay.
straight and then bus, press back. Now you try.
எதுல வந்துச்சு சார் திரும்பி வருதா பாருங்க
Why person?
Okay? Now with this.
வைபேஸ் வருது
With your another people how to insert pin 1 and 2.
நீங்க இறக்குறீங்க சொல்லி கொடுங்க சொல்லி கொடுங்க
நார்மல் நம்ம ரியாக்டர் மெயின்டெனன்ஸ்க்கு அங்க ஆஃப்ல போட்டா போதும். இதுல மெயின்டெனன்ஸ் பாக்கும்போது தான் அவர் சொல்றாரு. இதனுடைய இதுதான்.
இல்ல ஜெனரலாவே மெக்கானிக்கல் லாக் போட்டுறோம் சார் ஆனா
மெக்கானிக்கல் லாக் போடுறது நல்லதா சார்? அங்க அங்க ஆஃப்ல மட்டும் தானே போட்டுக்கறாங்க மத்த இடத்துல தான்.
All people is ready?
ஓகே ஓகே சார்
Okay.
This is a nitrogen fire protection system. CTR company 60 years old, and this product manufacturer nearly 15 years, 15 to 20 years. This name add not here, only CTR old name. This nitrogen fire protection system installed only oil field transformer, not any building, otherwise open space. This is only for oil field transformer or reactor. When transformer fault condition, transformer body pressurized condition in internal spark, otherwise internal fire, then transformer oil heat and oil volume increase. So automatically body volume increase and develop some pressure transformer tract. When oil drain from this pipeline, then automatically transformer body pressure low, means decrease automatically. That is why required oil drain. When oil drain transformer या reactor, only 5 to 10% oil drain from this pipeline. This pipeline connected to transformer top. And this pipeline, small pipeline, is nitrogen injection pipe. Nitrogen injection bottom side. The transformer or reactor winding core is up to bottom side. That is why nitrogen injection required bottom, and nitrogen weight is as compared to oil low weight. So nitrogen injection bottom side. This oil drain pipe, here is one solenoid coil. This solenoid coil, one solenoid coil, here is one solenoid coil, as like motor, pump motor. This all is limit switch for indication, control room indication. By chance this valve open, indication is there, this limit switch operate and give indication oil drain valve open. This limit switch give supply to this coil. This both limit switch, when we insert lock pin, then indication out of service. This limit switch nitrogen valve close and open, two indication. Here is one also a gauge. Nitrogen cylinder gauge, means internal pressure show this gauge. This gauge show injection pressure. Injection pressure set by this key. Means tight, loose. This transformer required injection pressure nearly 10 kg. Here is one NRV. This pipeline also oil. When transformer downside bottom all valve open condition, then oil came up to this point. This is NRV, non-return valve. When this is nitrogen injection pipe. When nitrogen injection start as like and entry from this pipeline, automatically by pressure NRV open and go with oil. This gauge is setting. Setting means 10 kg pressure setting. After some days, this gauge damage, and total 150 kg pressure came up to this point. And when injection start from 150 kg pressure, this is very danger. That is why transformer body first pressurized condition plus this nitrogen pressure, so the body will be damaged. So required only 10 kg pressure, slowly pressure will be inject. So here by chance this pressure totally came, so here is one gas control unit, blue color part. This name is gas control unit. This gas control unit pass only 10 kg pressure. By chance your 80 MVAR reactor, you replace 125 MVAR reactor, otherwise high capacity reactor. So this is not necessary replace, only setting change here as per CTR company design person discussion. Otherwise same. This nitrogen capacity is, volume capacity is 68 liter. And nitrogen pressure fill up 150 kg per cm square. Available pressure now. By chance surrounding temperature increase means 40 degree, 45 degree. This also increase nearly 5 to 6 degree. Means today is 150. When April, May, he will be go up to 150. No issue. His limit is 200. The cylinder limit is 200. This gauge also same, but this is 9 to 10 required, 9.5 no issue. By chance this gauge go to 12, 13 as like, here is one safety switch. You automatically open, when pressure down, then automatically stop, as like pressure cooker.
Okay.
Protection relay trip, then this system coming voltage here, this coil and this coil. So required signal differential relay compulsory, buckwash or PRV any one, plus master trip relay, means transformer trip relay. So this three signal came from your relay panel. First this coil pickup, oil drain coil pickup. First oil drain start. When this coil pick up, this lever fall down as like. As like oil drain start. That time this limit switch make NC. This is original condition, limit switch. This plate push as like, and this make NC, and this limit switch gives supply to this coil.
Okay.
Then this coil pick up and nitrogen gas will be go as
Okay.
one time reset manually. So that is why by chance minor fault, differential relay actually came in your relay panel. After some time, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, buckwash or PRV trip. Then immediately you do not reset manually.
Okay.
How to reset? So first this is one slot.
Okay.
Small move, insert here slot. First you kept as like, then you as like setting. This also, this lever fall down, this both wall open. This is nitrogen wall, sir. This and this. As like reset.
Okay.
ரீசெட் மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் நல்லா பார்த்துக்கங்க மணி. ஒரு தடவை நீங்க வேணா பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கோங்க.
Okay.
This is butterfly valve.
Okay.
This butterfly valve is internal rubber gasket. After some years, rubber gasket damage. That is why continuous oil layer, no. So internal rubber gasket damage. So outside not leakage, internal leakage. So internal leakage, you have no time daily checking leakage available or not. So here downside one chamber is there. First when oil drain, first chamber fill up, then oil go to some pit. So inside chamber one float switch is there. So this float switch give indication control room, this wall leakage. So immediately you close this wall. Huh? And take. Okay. Insert this, insert. Okay. Then downside, you black color.
Okay.
You see here and press. Back, go back. Go back. Your hand go back. Back.
Back then.
Back. Where is back?
Oh.
ஃபுல் பண்ணணும் அப் பண்ணணும்
This is your rotate, sir, not. Go back. Back.
Back. Lock not.
Press, back, press.
Okay.
Press back.
Press it, sir.
No, you see here.
Okay.
ಏನು சொல்கிறார்
Okay.
Press back. Press.
Okay.
Now remove hand.
Okay.
Once again.
மறுபடியும் பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க ஓகே கீழே வரைக்கும் வந்துட்டு போட்டோம்
You remove this hand your. Now you insert this. Your hand is as like, sir, not. You have no energy as
Okay,
like.
okay.
One hand here, one here, one finger here. Down. One as like. Lift. You remove this hand.
Okay.
After some years, copper contact and water oxidation and total layer corrosion. So this lever voltage is coming here. This lever fall down and this limit switch make NC
Okay.
properly, but internal voltage not pass. So this limit coil is not pick up, means not energized. So only oil then start, nitrogen not inject. So here is one pressure switch, oil pressure switch, not normal pressure switch. Oil is coming as like total transformer oil pressure and go as like, and internal contact normally open, pressurized condition. When this lever as like fall down, oil draining started. So internal pressure reverse.
Yes.
And internal contact make NC and give supply to this coil.
Two
So
more.
this coil double source.
கன்ஃபர்மேஷன்
Alternate source.
By chance before 10 years one transformer this,
ஒன் ஆர் டூ எனி ஒன்
this is movable part.
ஓகே
This also rusted, sir. Here rust no available for Chennai near side.
Okay. One
This gauge setting.
flow.
Here leakage or any other leakage. So not necessary any CTR person or other technical person. How to replace this cylinder? So first you close this valve as like key. Close direction means clockwise. Open means anti-clockwise. You release this first. Replace means only one this nut remove and kept this assembly outside. You remove cylinder, new cylinder here kept, and you tied this nut and release pin first. When then open. Now this indicator is 0, black color.
Okay.
When we open this valve, then internal pressure show this gauge, you see, as like.
Okay.
Then setting as like, sir. Slowly setting, slowly means slowly rotate as like. 10 kg.
Okay.
Then full open. Your work finished, full open.
Okay.
Now I kept closed condition.
It means output pressure 10 kg only, right, sir?
Output pressure 10 kg required, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you come here. Make NC, give indication.
ஆல் இண்டிகேஷன்
Yes, yes, yes. This also, this cylinder pressure low also. PRV plus master tip. You know 86 relay.
86.
Second is a sensor plus buckos or PRV plus 86 relay. Means one electrical relay plus one mechanical relay. Same. Sensor plus buckos or PRV. Means
No,
one-
no, no need differential.
No need differential.
Spanner, air pressure releasing spanner.
Means available, sir. This bucket. Open close direction.
Okay.
You see here, shut means close and open. You see here,
Golden nuts.
this is kept properly.
Okay.
This is properly as like.
Okay.
One side only.
When open, then this arrow change
Okay.
as like. Otherwise not.
Properly.
Also explain what are all the points they have to.
This is handle.
Okay.
Here is one number, here is two number.
Yes.
Means this is one number, this is two number, and this is movable part. Movable.
Okay.
As like service condition.
Okay.
Means when
One is service.
one is service. Service means when this system operate, that time transformer body oil drain start.
Okay.
Then conservator oil forcefully come main tank.
Main tank.
That is why this is decrease level.
Okay.
So forcefully when oil came conservator to main tank, internal flap close. Means this rod close
Okay.
internally, not handle rotate.
Okay.
So handle continuous as like lock.
மணி லவுட் ஸ்பீக்கர்ல போட்டிருக்கேன்.
Handle as like lock position. Internal you see here, sir, you see here.
Yes.
Internal this is lock.
Okay, moving.
Moving and close this way, and oil not came downside.
Just for maintenance or servicing, manual servicing. Okay.
When maintenance means when oil filtration
Filtration.
or otherwise oil top up, you remove this nut bolt
Okay.
and rotate anti-clockwise up to 2 number as
Okay.
like, and nut bolt.
Okay.
Your work finish, filtration work finish, then once again you rotate and kept service 1 number. This is your
Okay. Now this two, na.
Ha.
That time all flow up down. It will
hollow
automatic-
hollow pipe. By chance you this
Yes.
transformer not motor pump.
Ah.
Other transformer is motor pump. When oil filtration, then forcefully oil come down. That time not this is closed condition.
Okay.
Normally just
Ha.
pipe.
Ha, just
Operating as a
pipe,
pipe.
hollow
Hollow
pipe.
pipe. Hollow pipe.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
you understand how to go filtration and service.
Okay.
This is filtration mode now. Service.
Sir.
Clockwise service, anti-clockwise filter.
Filter.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Next, in case drain locked, how to reset?
By chance, by mistake,
Yes.
you this condition you start filtration,
Yes.
and this is lock.
Lock.
Lock means close, and when
main
your
transformer.
filtration finish, then you check your water both valve first close, then you remove this, then you open this valve slowly, means 25% open, then you also 10% open, only 10%. That is why pipe dimension is small and conservator is
Lot of
area big. So oil required slowly. So internal air will be go from this point, not air will be here.
Okay.
This air, by chance, by mistake, lot of time this mistake.
Yes.
Lot of that is why nobody kept in filter mode and oil filtration start, otherwise oil top up. That time they found Buckos relay is not oil coming from conservator to Bucko side. So close this, remove air, and you continuous you open condition this bolt, and you open this and slowly you open, When your pipeline and this transformer full, then oil will be come here. Then you close and tight nut, then you pull open.
Okay.
Huh?
once draining the oil. It will operate.
Sir, by this condition, system operate. Otherwise, your filtration position, this lock, handle automatically this close. So you rotate as like, but you remove first this here. Then you rotate.
Okay.
Otherwise, this handle is not rotate easily.
Okay.
You open by energy, but I am not able to open. That is why my energy is low. So handle also will broken otherwise. So you remove this nut bolt. This is nut.
Okay.
Release.
Air release. And then you as like, sir.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Any
அது இப்போ லீக்கேஜ் ஃப்ரம் ட்ரெயின் பைப் இருக்குல்ல அது மட்டும் ரெண்டுல இருக்கு
வேற எதுவும் இல்லையா?
பிஎன் அதுக்கப்புறம் பிஎன்ஆர்வி க்ளோஸ் இருக்கு
PNRV. Old.
சரி மணி பாய்.
ஓகே ஜி
Wait.
Okay.
Oh, system operator is oil.
Sir, fire detector.
This is fire detector.
Okay.
Heat sensor means fire detector. Transformer. You see here. This is when tight. This tight. Spring in as like.
Okay.
When broken, spring outside and make contact NC.
Okay.
அந்த ஃபைல மட்டும்
एक मिनट.
புக்கஸ் ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணுறது இதுவும் டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு
Auto mode.
ஆட்டோல தாங்க இருக்கு. ஓகே.
சார் இங்க அந்த
Sir, ready?
ரெடி வெயிட் தட் ஹவ் டு ஓபன் என்ன வந்து
Press.
நல்லா பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே ஆப்ரேட் ஆயிடுச்சு.
ஓகே.
Remove.
அவருக்கு என்ன அலாரம்
This
உங்களுக்கு
plus
என்ன
this.
அலாரம் வந்திருக்கு? சிலிண்டர் பிரஷர் லோவா? அது இல்ல, அவர் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காரு. ஓகே தான். ரைட், ஓகேங்க.
இப்போ அந்த ஹால் கீழே இறங்கி
वाल्व वालेंगे नीचे जाके आता हूँ. PRV.
அதான் இல்ல வெயிட் ரெங்க
இது
PRV
பிஆர்வி வித் சென்சார்
ஃபயர் சென்சார்.
அது சென்று திருப்புங்க உள் பக்கம் காமிங்க அந்த த்ரெட் உள்ள த்ரெட் உள்ள
Sir, fire detector tight करो.
टाइट
Fire detector.
एक बार இருங்க டைட் பண்ணாதீங்க
டைட் கரோ